Hello, it's Andrew Remney, also known as the DIY Magician, and I'm getting ready for KIDabra 2019. That's right, we're in Atlanta, Georgia this year, August 21st through the 24th. And I'm doing a KIDtalks lecture featuring a magic trick just like this, or a magic trick just like this, or a magic trick just like this. That's right, I'm doing a lecture, a KIDtalks lecture on paper bag magic, where I will feature paper bags like this, and like this, and just like this. That's right, all sorts of magic tricks you can do with paper bags at the spur of the moment or planned ahead of time. But what you won't see in my KIDtalks lecture are these type of bags. That's right, it's all paper bag magic, but we're gonna have fun together doing this. Again, it's August 21st through the 24th in Atlanta, Georgia. Be there.